What's up, guys? It is another not so beautiful day. We got clouds. I thought it was supposed to be sunny, but it's not. I thought it was supposed to be springtime. That's okay. So what we're doing today is we're gonna work on the S2000. Well, first, let me go back. Thank you guys to everyone who came to the channel and subscribed. I know David gave me a shout out, and Jim gave me a shout out, and James from Modest Racing gave me a shout out. So thank you guys for coming. Hopefully you enjoy the channel. Hopefully you enjoy the FC build, the S2K build, and whatever else we work on, and possibly some gun videos. Hopefully you guys like all those. Jim, I hope y'all come back through South Carolina to go home, because you should really stop and see that. You guys should come check it out. We can go to a mountain run, take the Miata. You guys can drive it, ride in it, I don't care. But you'll probably like it. So if you guys come back through, come check out the car. All the guys who subscribe to me and Jim, go comment saying he should come stop and see the Hill Climb FC RX-7. She's a beauty. Now it's on to the S2K. So what are we gonna do today? I know I told you guys that we were gonna start building it, and start doing some mods to it, and we have a few things. If I can get to the tire shop today, we've got a pretty new set of Hankook V12 Evo 2s from a buddy of mine. He stopped by and dropped them off while I was at Import Alliance, so I'm thankful for those. We're going to try and straighten and primer this lip today. Over there it's kind of bent and not the right angle, so I'm going to heat it up and we're going to try to straighten it out. And we've also got Honda Odyssey fog lights in this box. And then for my rotary guys who always come back to watch, we've got the Angel Motorsports Trans inspection hole cover. Nice billet aluminum, polished. Thank you, John. You guys can pick these up for I think 20 bucks or something like that, but I got mine. So we have rotary mods for the rotary guys today. Let's go ahead and get some sawhorses out. I'll get the heat gun cranked up. We're going to try to bend that lip out and try not to ruin it. But if we do, that's okay. I can just get another one. One of my buddies bought this from Walmart online. It's some polyurethane AP1 lip, and we're just going to try to work with it. If it fails, we can get another one. Alright, so our problem with this lip, as you can see, this is completely off. Now, what I've seen everybody do is just throw them in the sunlight for a day and then they fix themselves. But we don't have sunlight today, so I'm going to heat it with heat gun, see what happens, see if we break it or not. But let's try it. Alright, we're going to start on low. This is going to be way easier if I put the camera down. Please don't fall. Well, the sun finally came out, so that's good, but it's not really warm or hot, and I am impatient, so we're heating up the lip in sections, and I'm stepping on it till it cools, and it seems to be putting it back into place. So hopefully that works out. Once this is kind of in a shape that we need it to be, I'll start primering, but I moved the S2K so we don't get primer all over it. But yeah, that's about it. Just standing here on my lip waiting. Exciting stuff. But look at the RX-7. So as I'm standing here on this lip waiting for it to cool, I wanted to thank everybody that did come to subscribe to this channel. We have 554 subscribers. That is huge to me. I've been trying to hit that 500 mark for so long. So now let's see how fast it can take us to get to 1,000. So be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Always share these videos if you enjoy them. Let me know how to improve them if you don't. But yeah, just tell your friends, show your friends. We'll keep building track cars and racing and doing S2000 stuff. So yeah, let's get to 1,000 subscribers. That is my shameless plug for my video. We're still waiting. Alright, change of plans at this point. The lip is sitting out in the sun. Hopefully it goes back to shape. I'm not sure. I don't want to like put it on like that and paint it and then crack the paint. Really don't want to do that. So we're going to, what are we gonna do? We'll just go put stuff on the RX-7. We'll start doing that, and I'll unbox some fog lights and show you some other stuff we got. But yeah, we'll do an RX-7 first. So we've got our old trans inspection hull cover and the new shiny one. You're not really gonna be able to see that on the motor, but I think it's cool. So if you guys are curious where it's at, it is basically right by the oil filter. My coolant reroute line is in the way, but it's down there. Well, our trans inspection cover is done. Now you guys can see a little better, all shiny and polished. So that was pretty tight, probably took 5-10 minutes to do, super easy. My coolant line was in the way, so that was a problem. But we're waiting on the lip, so not a whole lot to be doing around here, but we're gonna open up what's in this box. And I'll show you guys that, because these should be pretty sick. These are our Honda Odyssey fogs for the S2K. So before I tackle anything with the fog lights, and we're still waiting on that lip to fold back down to where it is, we've got a new radio plate, so I'm gonna just throw that on there, and that'll help clean up the interior a little bit. Alright, so to change the cover, this factory cover, we need to first get all of this out, so we're gonna pull on each side of the door first. Okay, that popped. I guess that's popped too. So now I gotta get the top part out. And everybody suggested using like a padded, something wrapped around a screwdriver to pry it. So the easiest way to do this is just pull back and forth on each side. And just pop a screwdriver in the top part here and just pull it out. So now we can change our radio door. We are out and good to go. So good news, our radio door is out. What I ended up doing for this was these cotter pins right here were really stuck in there, so I just hit them with penetrating oil and then hit them out with a 2mm Allen key, and they came right out. So we got to put the spring on our new carbon door, and then we can throw everything back in the car. Our radio door is installed. When we get outside, I'll show you guys the thing that was killing me on getting this out. It was just the little cotter pins that hold this thing in, like little AR pins. That sucked, but I was able to get that out. And then once you get it out, you need to remember to preload the spring on the door, which I'll kind of show where that's at. I'm trying to get my keys out of my fucking pocket. All right, we got keys. So on these guys, the spring sits kind of right in there, and you preload it on this little indent, and that lets the door open. Does the little spring-loaded open once you touch it. So we're just gonna throw this thing back in here, and we'll be good with this little interior mod. That took 2 minutes to throw back in, and it looks a lot better than the black one. So I'm a fan, I like it, worth the money, still functions, factory Honda stuff. So that works. Our lip is still bent, so that's gonna have to hang out here. So I really don't know what to do right now. I kind of want to get the fog lights in, but I don't want to do that because I'm gonna have to take the bumper off, so I might as well just wait till the lips are ready and just do all of that at once. So we'll probably go to the tire shop and get some new tires on. Then I can have the same wheels and everything now. So we're gonna do that. That'll be a good idea. So the good thing about having a tire shop right across the street from your house, and that they like you, and they are a sponsor for the car. So they are gonna send one of the guys over here in a truck to pick up the new tires and the 2 Team Dynamics wheels for the S2K. So I've got to go load up and get them ready to go to the shop. Progress on the lip. It's getting a little bit back to shape where it needs to be, but we're getting there. So that's the new stack of tires, and then my 2 Team Dynamics wheels are of course right there. So that's fun. Good news, people. After I think like a year, the S2000 is finally back on all the same shoe. So we got some meaty tires in the rear. I ran a little bit smaller in the front. I had 225s, we're down to 215s, but the rear is up from 225 to 245. So pretty stoked to see how it looks and show you guys. Alright, so we are back from the tire shop. We have got the new wheels and tires on, which is fantastic. I'm very happy about that. And the lip has been sitting in the sun all day. It hasn't gone as planned. It's gotten kind of better, but it's still a little misshapen. So we're just going to fucking send it. I'm gonna sand this guy down, and then we'll just throw some primer on it. We'll start doing those steps. So first things first, let's sand it. I'm gonna hit it just the polyurethane with like 320 just to rough it up a little bit, and then we'll do high build primer on it. The lip is all scuffed up, sanded, wiped down. So we're gonna go ahead and hit it with the first coat of primer, and we'll go from there. I rarely paint stuff, either Joe or Alfie does it. I'm gonna try it on my own. We're gonna see what happens. First coat's been drying, and now we'll probably do the second one next. Alright guys, we've got the lip all primered, turned out pretty good. I just used some high build primer that I had laying in the garage from when I did the fender flares and the mirrors on the FC. But lip turned out good. I've got to go to Finish Master tomorrow and get some clear, so that's going to be one thing. And we'll lay some color down tomorrow. I want to have the clear and color to go on at the same time, so there's that. But yeah, let me show you guys. You all have seen the wheels. So I got the wheels back on the S2K, very pretty. And then you guys need to see the radio door. And there's the radio door. Looks way better than the black one. Alright guys, that'll be it for this video. Thank you always for watching, and be sure to subscribe and remember to like this video, and let me know if you guys like where the S2000 is going. We'll see what happens. But thank you to all the new subscribers that came. Show your friends, tell everybody. I'm trying to get to 1,000 subscribers in, I don't know, 2 months. Let's just say 2 months. Let's see if that's possible. So that'd be pretty tight to do. And yeah, we will see you tomorrow for another video, because we got to paint the lip, and we'll probably throw the fog lights in. Might as well just do it all at once. So yeah, pretty good day. We will see you guys later. Thank you for watching. Bye.